Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe is double layer pudding. It looks yummy and delicious. It's so easy and very quick to make. Let's see. First, keep a vessel and 1 pack milk. And then mix it slowly. It's boiling. Keep aside for cooling. Cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pour condensed milk or mithai milk. And mix it well. Two pack china grass and cut it. One glass of water. And let it melt. Soak for 10 minutes. Mix until it boils. It boiled. Off the flame. Keep a strainer and strain the milk and mix it. Mix it well. Pour to a bowl equally. And 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and mix it. Mix it well. Half tablespoon chocolate essence. And mix it. Pour to a container. Keep refrigerator for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it and pour another layer of white. And keep refrigerator for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add almonds upon that. It's ready. Double layer pudding is ready. Wow, it was so quick and easy. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.